Hello aspirants. Looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 29th June. On the front page you have this news regarding a flight of A-King C-90 aircraft which belonged to a private individual. It crashed in Mumbai and Ghatkopar area. The crew on board actually died on spot and one person also on ground died. Then this is LET killed Bukhari, J&K police. So this is regarding the senior journalist and editor in Jammu and Kashmir, Shujat Bukhari, who was murdered. Now the police in Jammu and Kashmir has said that it was LET, Lashkar-e-Toiba, who killed Bukhari. Then next is Indian money in Swiss bank surges. So this is regarding Swiss bank accounts of Indians. The money there is increasing. So this was an action which was expected to be taken against black money. So this is an important coverage on business page. So this is important. And then this is revised relations with Iran. Haley tells India. So this is Nikki Haley, US envoy to United Nations. She is telling India to revise its relation with Iran because US considers Iran a threat. So it does not want India to have trade relations with Iran. And we have seen recently how US-India 2+2 dialogue has also been postponed. So this issue is also linked to that, though USA says that that is not the case. Then on page 6 is the news, battle over Bankim Chandra in Bengal. So this is actually the political aspect. Political parties are trying to yield dividends on appropriation of this icon of Bengal, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. But you should know everything about with respect to history and culture regarding the author of even the book and the national song of India, Vande Mataram. So this is important. Then on page 7, you have this news, tiger couple from MP to start a family in Odisha. So this is how tiger relocation is taking place. Satkosia Tiger Reserve of Odisha is expected to be repopulated with the help of this tiger couple from Madhya Pradesh. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial is sinking rupee. So this is what was there in business news yesterday too, regarding RBI's viewpoint and how rupee is sliding down against the dollar. So this is an important editorial. And this is tectonic shift. So this is regarding how in US the campaign finance model is changing with little of funding as such for campaigning for election. Also candidates win elections. So this is discussing that of USA. Then this is regarding India-US relations and present how 2+2 dialogue has been postponed. So this is a lead article on that issue. Here, target incomes, not prices. So this is an important coverage on how for agriculture we need to increase the incomes, especially of the most vulnerable farmers, and not concentrate on the prices of agricultural produce and the MSP announced as such. So this is important. Then on the op-ed page today, there is this yes, no, it's complicated coverage, which is on Indian football. Can Indian football make it to the top league? So since FIFA is going on too, this may be an important issue too, so you can go through it. And this is regarding the central government's proposal of setting up social media communication hub. That how it would violate right to privacy, but then presently the government has shelved this idea. Then on page 11, you have this important coverage comparing the proposed Higher Education Commission of India with University Grants Commission. So yesterday there was news that UGC is proposed to be replaced by this body. So this is an important coverage here. And then here it is Kharif sowing on, but no words on MSPs. So this is how farmers are being affected because Niti Aayog has proposed shifting the burden on states regarding MSP. So this is delaying decision. So this is an important article. Then on the international page, you have this news, Trump-Putin summit to unfold in Helsinki on July 16. So this important summit will take place now, is important. Then on the business page, you have the news, RBI steps in as rupee hits record low. So currency is weakening against the dollar. So that's first time prompting central bank intervention. RBI is intervening in this matter now. So this is important. Then here you have the continuation of the news from first page. India's Swiss bank stash tops 7,000 crores. So this is increase in money stashed in Swiss bank accounts. And on the business page here, you have this news. Hyderabad may house first government blockchain center. So this is important. Then on the last page, you have this news. Is biodiversity treaty a hurdle to conservation research? So this is an important coverage regarding Convention on Biological Diversity. A question being posed. So this is important. Then here space related news one is James Webb Telescope launch delayed to 2021. So James Webb Telescope will remain in news. You should know about it. It's important. And here is a coverage. Saturn's moon could support life, says study. So this is a study from Cassini probe. And so you should know about Cassini also. And Mars may have hosted life from Earth before Earth. So this is again a study being done. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of this, you can visit our website, and also we have a complete online current affairs course for which you can enroll to. Thank you so much.